Welcome to the Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited's channel. Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited is a company founded in 1999 by a team of experts in the fields of aquaculture, livestock farming, veterinary, pharmacology, and pathology in Vijayawada, the business capital of the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited company has international production and export certificates like ISO, GMP and IEC and is known as a trusted company of buyers and farmers worldwide for the last 24 years. Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited exports its products to over 45 countries around the world. The company has twice won the Excellence Exporter Award for the highest export of quality products from the Government of India. Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited is a well-known and trusted company in the production and export of aquaculture, livestock farming, and veterinary products around the world. We produce high-quality products for the animal health, milk growth, and disease resistance of all types of livestock and pets, as well as for the health of broilers, layers, starters, and chicks in the poultry industry, for egg production, and for shell hardness. We produce high-quality products for the healthy management of aquaculture ponds, water quality levels, and the growth of healthy shrimp and fish for aquaculture farmers to benefit from aquaculture. Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited produces a wide range of products, including feed, premixes, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, probiotics, enzymes, toxic binders, pesticides, herbal products, and more, for livestock, poultry, and aquaculture fish and shrimp. All of our products meet international standards and are safe. Our products are made with high-quality raw materials. We produce high-quality, low-cost products for the health protection and best results in the fields of livestock, poultry, and aquaculture. Advanced Agrovets Biotechnologies Private Limited is a company with a strong commitment to product research and development. We have research institutes with the support of leading scientists from national and international research organizations for continuous research on various problems related to poultry, veterinary, and aquaculture. Therefore, we are constantly researching on various problems. We use advanced biotechnology to produce a wide range of high-quality feed supplements and healthcare products used in the poultry, veterinary, and aquaculture industries. Therefore, we are not only in India but also in many Asian and European countries with leading dealers and buyers, and we are achieving great development every year with their cooperation. We believe in long-term benefits in a sustainable way. The company's headquarters and world-class factories with the highest standards are located in Vijayawada, the commercial capital of the state of Andhra Pradesh, India. We have the best technical and marketing experts in all potential regions around the world. We export our products extensively to many Asian and European countries, including the UAE, Vietnam, Turkey, Egypt, South Korea, Bangladesh, Nepal, Syria, Yemen, Oman, and the Netherlands, in addition to India. Contact us now to know more about our products and details. We will assist you with aquaculture and all types of livestock farming. Please contact us through mobile, email, website, or social media for complete details. Thank you.